Good morning, students. We have been learning the role of Parliament. We already learned selection of the national government. First point, controlling the executive, legislative powers. These points you already learned. Today we are again going to learn financial powers. Financial powers. The Parliament has full control over the union finances. Every year, government has to present its budget before the Parliament. Then, what do you mean by budget? I think you learned in last class, the 7th class. However, once again, repeating, budget is the annual financial statement of the government's expected income and already incurred expenditure. In other words, a budget is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually compiled and re-evaluated on a periodic basis. So that is what is budget. Budget is the annual financial statement of the government expenditure, expected income and expenditure, expected income and incurred expenditure. Incurred expenditure means what to commit or accrue expenditure. Then powers. Next powers to amend to the constitution. We have been learning powers of the Parliament. So powers to amend to the constitution. An amendment or a change in an existing law needs to be approved by both the House of the Parliament. So what do you mean by amend? Amend means make minor change in the existing law. That is amend. Amendment. So an amendment or change in existing law needs to be approved by both the House of the Parliament. By both the House of the Parliament means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Small changes, minor changes can be amended by a simple majority and major portions are amended by a 2/3 majority in both the houses. It's very important. Small changes, that means minor changes, can be amended by a simple majority and major portions are amended by 2/3 majority of both the houses. Then next point, need for new laws. When the constitution was promulgated means put a law or a decree into effect by official proclamation. It was meant to serve as a foundation for elected representatives for the process of lawmaking. With time, some laws became outdated. Some laws became outdated and obsolete. Obsolete, that same meaning, out of date. a number of new laws have been passed and old ones have been amended since 1950. Some of the new laws are explained given below. First one, new laws, no? Right to Education Act of 2009, which guarantees free education for children between 6 and 14. Next one is the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, which provides 100 days of employment to the poor. Next new laws, Payment of Wages Act, which fixed the wages of workers. Next, the Right to Information Act, which ensures people right to know everything about the process in government offices. Last point, Maternity Benefit Act, which guaranteed 12 weeks of maternity leave for women. Thank you.